Who said you need to suffer, sweat for hours at the gym, or live as a prisoner to restrictive diets that don't work just to lose belly fat? The truth might sound shocking, but all that extra effort could actually be the reason you haven't managed to get rid of that stubborn fat. Maybe you've just been investing your energy in the wrong direction. In the end, what really matters for belly fat loss isn't how long you spend on the treadmill, but having the right strategy to boost your metabolism. Now imagine having a homemade drink easy to make and scientifically proven to support natural fat burning right at your fingertips. A real, practical, and accessible solution that anyone could start using as soon as tomorrow. No intense workouts, no suffering, and no complications. Just a simple morning routine with everyday ingredients from your kitchen that can activate your body's natural ability to lose weight and maintain lasting results. Want to find out how to prepare this powerful weight loss drink and finally transform your body from the inside out? Forget the crazy diets and processed products that promise miracles. Sometimes, the most powerful solution for belly fat loss lies in the simplest things. The kind your grandmother used long before marketing existed. 5 natural, affordable ingredients that play a real role in the process of natural weight loss. Together, they create a weight loss drink that works with your body's natural rhythm and delivers real results. And the most interesting part, it all starts with a glass of water. Most people don't pay much attention to the temperature of the water they drink, but the body feels the difference, and it feels it deeply. Warm water acts like an internal hug. It relaxes the digestive system, eases bowel movements, and sets the stage for everything that comes next. It's not boiling, and it's not straight from the fridge. It's warm like a gentle hot shower that starts from the inside, and that makes all the difference. Drinking a glass of warm water on an empty stomach is like pressing a quiet reset button in your body. It helps reduce bloating, soothes discomfort, and even creates a light sense of fullness. In other words, you start your day with less of that urge to snack on anything in sight. It's the first step in a natural weight loss ritual that honors your body's rhythm. A simple practice, yet one that directly boosts your energy and digestion throughout the day. Think about those mornings when you wake up with a tight, heavy, bloated stomach. Warm water gently unsticks that feeling. It also stimulates the release of digestive enzymes and gives your metabolism a small but meaningful push, the kind every belly fat loss journey needs. And keep in mind, we haven't even added the other ingredients of this weight loss drink yet. Just imagine what happens when they come together. This one is controversial, but only for those who've never understood the power of raw apple cider vinegar. Made through the natural fermentation of apples, it goes far beyond just dressing a salad. Rich in acetic acid, enzymes, and minerals, it's a true secret weapon when it comes to a homemade fat burner. It works like a metabolism tuner, helping your body burn fat more efficiently, especially that stubborn fat stored around the belly. You know that feeling of fullness that keeps you from constantly snacking? Apple cider vinegar helps with that too. It balances blood sugar levels, reduces glucose spikes, and protects against insulin resistance. On top of that, it jumpstarts digestion and can even relieve gas and constipation. Some people notice a flatter stomach within just a few days, no exaggeration. It's a quiet yet powerful ally for anyone seeking natural weight loss. And there's more. This ingredient may also lower bad cholesterol and strengthen your cardiovascular system. It's literally a detox that also boosts your self-esteem, because when you start your day with intention, your body responds with more energy and lightness. Just with warm water and apple cider vinegar, this weight loss drink already packs a punch. But once the third ingredient joins in, things start to get even more interesting. Lemon is one of those ingredients that seems simple but delivers far more than expected. Most people know it as a source of vitamin C, and it definitely is, but it goes way beyond that. It acts as a natural digestive tonic, stimulating the production of enzymes right in the mouth and continuing its effect deep into the gut. In a weight loss drink, lemon works as a catalyst. It brings freshness, kickstarts internal processes, and supports fat metabolism. Here's an interesting fact. Although lemon tastes acidic, once metabolized, it actually has an alkalizing effect on the body. This helps balance your body's pH, improves nutrient absorption, and reduces silent inflammation. And as we know, chronic inflammation is one of the main roadblocks in any belly fat loss journey. By adding lemon to your daily ritual, you're not just improving digestion, you're also preparing your body to burn fat more efficiently. Want a practical tip? Instead of drinking soda or boxed juice with lunch, add a few drops of lemon to your water. Besides adding flavor, it helps with digestion and supports blood sugar control. And the best part, it blends perfectly with the other ingredients in this homemade fat burner. But once ginger enters the mix, that's when things really start to heat up. If lemon clears the way, ginger steps in as the booster that speeds everything up. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, it's more than just a root with a bold flavor. It's a natural anti-inflammatory with direct effects on digestion and circulation. The gingerols, its active compounds, help reduce inflammation in deep tissues, including the intestines. It's like ginger sweeps the path so your body can run more smoothly. Ever feel nauseous in the morning or after a heavy meal? Ginger takes care of that. It also improves circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach the parts of your body that need them most. This leads to a more active metabolism, essential for those aiming for natural weight loss without relying on supplements. And trust me, a slice of fresh ginger with warm water and lemon is nearly a magic potion against bloating. In practice, you can grate a small piece of the root and add it to your morning water along with the previous ingredients. It's simple, straightforward, and no fuss. And the best part? The effects are almost immediate. But what really takes everything to the next level is the next ingredient. And if you've got a sweet tooth, you're going to love what's coming next. Cinnamon is that final touch that doesn't just add flavor, it adds strategy. We're not talking about just any spice, but a natural metabolism regulator, especially when it comes to belly fat loss. It boosts insulin sensitivity, meaning your body uses glucose more efficiently and avoids that stubborn fat buildup around the waistline. Just a pinch a day can be a powerful step toward internal balance. Cinnamon also has the ability to balance your gut microbiome. Yes, that invisible community of good and bad bacteria living in your intestines that impacts everything from digestion to mood. By suppressing harmful microbes and supporting the beneficial ones, cinnamon helps reduce fermentation, gas, and bloating. The result? A lighter belly and a more stable mind, all with a naturally sweet touch, no sugar needed. Want a practical way to use it? Sprinkling a bit of cinnamon on your morning coffee or tea already makes a difference. But in this weight loss drink, it blends with the other ingredients to create a powerful, harmonious combination. It's the fifth and final element in this natural weight loss formula, and when all of them work together, that's when the real magic happens. Individually, each ingredient has its own value. But when you combine them all in a single recipe with a single intention, something truly powerful happens. They work together like a well-trained team. One boosts metabolism, another improves digestion, one cleanses the gut, another regulates blood sugar. And in the end, your body enters a state of balance that naturally supports belly fat loss. It's like tuning every instrument before a grand performance. This combination is more than just a drink, it's a self-care strategy. You begin to feel the bloating go down, your appetite stabilize, and your mood become more even. It's not magic, it's science combined with nature. And here's an interesting detail. Many people report that after just a few days, they're already slipping into clothes they hadn't worn in ages. What changes isn't just the belly, it's a renewed sense of lightness and well-being. Now imagine all of that happening at once. Smooth digestion, less fermentation, better circulation, and fewer sugar cravings. This weight loss drink becomes a true homemade fat burner, made from the purest and simplest ingredients. And if you've made it this far, it means you're ready to learn exactly how to prepare it the right way without mistakes. Now it's time to turn this knowledge into practice, and it's simpler than you think. Start with 1 to 2 cups of warm water. Mix in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, a small piece of grated ginger, or a few thin slices, and finish with a generous pinch of cinnamon. Stir slowly and mindfully, as if you're preparing a ritual, because that's exactly what it is. This weight loss drink should be consumed on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. But if your schedule is tight, you can split the dose, half when you wake up, half in the afternoon. Just adjust the amount of vinegar. If you're dividing it too much, can irritate sensitive stomachs. Use a stainless steel or glass straw if you want to protect your teeth from the lemon's acidity. And remember, take it for 10 consecutive days, then pause for 3. Repeat only if your body calls for it. One important note, just because it's natural doesn't mean more is better. The key is consistency, not dosage. Combine this habit with fresher, less processed meals, light movement, and good hydration. Gradually, this ritual will become part of your life and the results will go far beyond belly fat loss. Now, before you get started, there are a few final tips and important precautions you should know. As natural as this weight loss drink may be, every body has its own story and deserves to be respected. The recipe was designed to be safe, but if you're sensitive to lemon, vinegar, or ginger, it's best to start with smaller amounts. Pay attention to how your body responds. It always sends signals. And if you're taking regular medication or have any health conditions, consult your doctor before starting. Simple precautions can prevent unnecessary discomfort. What many people notice in the first few days is lighter digestion, less bloating, and that satisfying feeling of a flatter belly. The magic lies in consistency, not urgency. It's like watering a plant. Daily you may not see the roots growing, but the bloom comes in its own time. And more important than the aesthetic effect is the renewed energy, clearer mind, and deeper connection with your own body. Turning this into a morning habit is the real game changer. Create a moment just for yourself. Wake up gently, prepare your drink with intention, and start the day by taking care of you. This isn't about losing weight in desperation. It's about gaining autonomy, health, and true well-being. Now that you have the full formula, how about discovering why it works even without exercise? And now that you know everything, tell me, are you going to let this pass like just another random video? Or are you going to use it to truly change your life? You've seen that you don't need expensive supplements, long fasting hours, or exhausting workouts. With just a few minutes a day, using what you already have at home, you can activate your own power to transform. So the real question is, will you give this routine a try, or stay stuck in the same habits that lead you nowhere? Which of these ingredients do you already have in your kitchen? Tell me in the comments. And more importantly, what excuse are you letting go of today? If this content made sense to you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Here, you'll learn how to take care of your body with clarity, truth, and real results. Because the change you're looking for starts with simple choices, and it starts now.